first motorcycle with me, and it's the Aerox 155. What I like about this model is that you can tell right away that this is the top model for the Aerox because of the orange accent. You can see it here. It comes with an LED headlights and turn lights, and as you can see the orange accent to the side, and it comes with a keyless top end technology. This is available for motorcycles right now, so you can open the seat, the fuel, and start the motorcycle without a key. As long as the key fob is no, you can turn this on. And of course I matched this with the orange helmet. So there, here just enjoying the view, relaxing and trying to breathe fresh air with cow dung along with it, but still it's better than the city. So have a great one. Bye bye.